Hello and welcome to Books Under the Arbor with Readily. I'm Kent, and today I'm going to be reviewing an adult cookbook called A Literary Tea Party. This was put together by Alison Walsh, who is widely known for her blog in which she does much the same thing, with an introduction by Sarah Letourneau. I did have to go and look up who Sarah Letourneau is because I didn't automatically know. However, this is an interesting addition to the sort of canon of bookish, book-inspired, story-inspired cookbooks. And I particularly like this one as an option for parents who are looking to get into baking, to bring their children on board with baking or cooking or brewing tea, inspired by certain childhood favorite books, series, etc. So some of the series featured in this book include Winnie the Pooh, Alice in Wonderland and Through the Looking Glass, Narnia, Tom Sawyer, and things like that. So there's quite a lot packed in here. This is not a book that is necessarily geared for kids to read or execute by themselves. You can tell by the glossy, gorgeous looking pictures. They're not illustrated to point out key features like children's cooking books often are. And the instructions are in very small print and sometimes rather too complicated for a child to carry out, and sometimes for this adult to carry out. I am going to be attempting to make one recipe from this book, Hannah's Muff's Sweet Potato Bacon Pastries, inspired by Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. So I will get back to you on how that works out. And here is the inspiration. They are puff pastry, a thin slice of sweet potato, brie, and if you follow the recipe, bacon. I did share some, and they seem to go down okay. Oh well. So I'm going to give it a try. It's pretty good. Man. More brie is always the answer, but I really like that still slightly crunchy wafer of sweet potato in there as well. It's good. It's good. It's a good balance. Final verdict, brie. So that's A Literary Tea Party, blends and treats for Alice, Bilbo, Dorothy, Joe, and book lovers everywhere, written by Alison Walsh, and I believe tested out and created all the recipes as well.